Hi everybody, I'm Mary from Mary Stories. Christmas is just around the corner and today I'm gonna show you how to make these bells. For this tutorial I will be using a US 7 or 4.5mm crochet hook, and you can choose some leftovers of your yarn in festive colors such as red, green. And to make a start you need to make a magic circle. So wrap the yarn around your 2 or 3 fingers, cross the yarn end over the working yarn. Put your thumb on the bead that crosses over itself to hold the loop in place, and take the working yarn and chain 1 to secure. Then you can tighten the loop by pulling the tail of the yarn, so you close the loop as much as you want, and then you're ready to work 6 single crochets. Once you've chained your first single crochet, place a marker so you know this is the stitch where you are going to put a slip stitch at the end to join the round. So work 6 single crochets in that ring, working into the space, and you can pull the working yarn so the loop is closing a little bit more, and then work a slip stitch in that marked first single crochet of the round, so you join round 1, and we are ready now to work the second round. To work the second round, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and chain a 4th chain, and work a double crochet in next stitch. So you have a chain 4, this is equal to a double crochet and a chain 1 space, and this is what we are going to repeat: chain 1 and double crochet in next stitch. Don't skip any stitch, just chain 1 and double crochet in next stitch. Oops, let's take care. This way in our second round we are going to create 6 chain 1 spaces. So chain 1 and double crochet in next stitch. Very simple, our second round, I believe. So let's count. We have 1 space, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right now we have to chain 1 and slip stitch to join. So we are going to create our last chain 1 space. We're going to slip stitch in 3rd chain of our initial chain 4, working a slip stitch. So round 2 is worked, and we have 6 chain 1 spaces. Round 3, chain 3 and find the first space to the left, and we're going to work 2 double crochets in every space, just in space, not in some particular loop. So 2 double crochets, chain 3 of the beginning, count as the last half of the last pair. So in next space we're going to work 2 double crochets. We can pull a little bit more and cut our tail and continue working double crochets, one and one more into the space. Take your cup of coffee or your tea and enjoy this Christmas gift ornament. 2 double crochets again here, and we jump into the next space, chain 1 space, and work also 2 double crochets. And this way in every round our bell is getting a little bit wider. This is the meaning of making a little bit more of stitches. And here we are at, let's count again to be sure. This is the chain 3 of the beginning, so 2 2 2 2, again pairs of double crochet, and into that last space we're going to work 1 double crochet and insert our hook in third chain of initial chain 3 and work a slip stitch to join. Round 4, and find the first space and place a marker there, and to start chain 3 and work into this space, which is the space between pairs of double crochet. Work 3 double crochets. There is no chain 1 space in between double crochets of previous round, but there is a you can easily find the place between pairs of double crochet and work 3 double crochet. So on this round we're going to make a little bit wider our bell. So this is our first triple. Then we're going to work 6 triples in total. The last 2 double crochets are going to meet the first chain 3, the initial chain 3, and make a triple. So jump over in next space between double crochets of previous round and work 3 double crochets. Again the same, jump and work 3 double crochets. Very easily we can see the space between double crochets and work there 3 double crochets. I call it a triple, and work again 3 into this space. It's like a cluster. And now we can see, let's count 1 2 3 4 5, and our 6th triple is going to be worked in last space, and there we're going to work 2 double crochets, and along with the chain 3 of our starting chain 3 it's going to be our last triple. So insert your hook in third chain of initial chain 3 and join with a slip stitch. To work our round number 5, chain 1, and in next chain, next stitch, work a single crochet, in the same stitch a half double crochet, a double crochet to go higher in same stitch, and then we go down and we're going to mirror our work. So we're going to work a half double crochet, a single crochet, and in next stitch we're going to work a slip stitch, and the same in next stitch, a slip stitch, and we are ready to work the same thing again in next stitch. In third stitch on the row, work a single crochet, then a half double crochet, a double crochet, all in one stitch, a half double crochet, and a single crochet, and in next stitch, in two next stitches, a slip stitch, the same in next one, a slip stitch, and this is the edging of the bell. So we're going to work our third cluster, working the same thing again, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. Let's pull some yarn, and a single crochet, and slip stitch in next stitch, slip stitch also in next stitch, and start again the cluster. So in total we're going to work 6 clusters in this round. It's so beautiful to work Christmas projects, so on your couch or on your loved chair, put some music, some Christmas music to listen to, and think about Christmas. Christmas is built from love, compassion, and giving, and this is why we are crocheting handmade gifts for our beloved persons. So I made a mistake here and I'm starting again. Okay, talking and working, it's not so easy. A half double crochet, a double crochet, and half double crochet, and a single crochet, and slip stitch and slip stitch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we are going to be working our last cluster, our 6th, a double crochet, and a half double crochet, a single crochet, and I have one more stitch to work a slip stitch, and I'm going to be working a slip stitch into the very first, into the chain 1 of the beginning, and I will cut my yarn and weave my tail later on. Pull the yarn to close the magic circle, and with a needle or your hook weave in your ends so that the bell is clear. This is the bell. I hope you find it easy and clear, and make many of them. You can also attach a jingle bell to the inside and hear this beautiful sound of the bell. To make a hanger, chain 16 and slip stitch into the 5th chain from the hook to make a loop. pass the tail through the top of the bell and secure it from the inside, and make a simple bow of yarn and attach it. I love being in front of my fire on a cold winter day working on a project like this. I hope you do too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I wish you happy holidays. Bye.